Hello guys, here is your presenter in Ray Electrical and Power Solutions. Today we have prepared for an automatic changeover switch. As you can see guys, this is our setup. You can see here, this is our setup. This is the main conductor. You need to have two conductors. This is our conductor that will be supplying our that is generator or solar, and here is our, we can call it a main conductor that will be supplying us with the main supply or reliable supply or Kenya power supply. So this is the we have the T2, T1, T3, and we have here L1, L2, L3. This is normally open, that is 13 and 14 for a conductor. At the back here we have A1, and we said A1 and A2. A2 is here, A2 is here, and A1 is here. This one is for the coil of the conductor. So we have this thing here. This one is an auxiliary conductor for a monoblock, and we explained last, we say if you want to on a conductor using this one, you will use a normally open, and if you want to off another conductor, you'll use a normally closed terminal. So for this a setup generation, for this setup of the changeover, we are going to use a normally closed, because we want to off the generator or the solar whenever power is whenever the power is available, or whenever power is, and on when the power is not available, that is when the power is off, ama kama stima imepotea. Now here we have our load. This is our load, the L1 and the L2, or the T1 and the T2. Here the L1 and the L1, L2 and T1, T2, whenever this conductor engages like this, it's normally open. The L1 and the L1 and the T1, it's always normally open. But when this one engages, that's the torque Q of this conductor, the L1 and the T1 becomes one thing. Then the power flows from this point to this point, or from this point to this point. Hope we are together from that point. Then so we have chosen our supply to be at the T2, at the T1 and the T2, the T1 and the T2. So here we are going to, this is the, we are going to connect. This one is our live, and this one is our neutral. At the same time, here we have our live from a different source. So we say this one is for KPLC, and this one is for solar or generator. So we have two different sources. So this one is our live, this one is our neutral. And for you to energize this conductor, or for this torque here, to energize these coils and for the power to flow from T1 to T2, we need to energize the A2 and the A1. How do you do it? Now, for us to off this conductor and on it, and to make it on, for this power to flow or to energize it, we use this one. So we are going to connect this auxiliary on the main conductor, that is for the main supply. So for us to energize it, we are going to source from this point. We are going to source from this point. We are going to source from the auxiliary from the generator or the solar terminal. As you can see, I've already connected here the brown wire to the live one, the live wire here to this point here. Then from here, because it's normally closed, it comes to A1 of the generator. Here is the A1. So it comes from the normally closed to A1 of the generator of the solar conductor. Then we source the neutral from the main terminal to A2 here. As you can see, we have connected from this point to this point. That now this conductor is done. The only thing you are remaining with the solar part is to take now our load, and our load, we said, is from the L1, L2 or T2. It all depends with how you want now to the terminals we are using. For us, we have chosen to use the T1, T2 as the main supply and the L1, L2 as the load. So this is our load now for the generator, or and mark you, this is a single phase. This is a single phase supply. So this is a single phase ATS or a single phase changeover switch. So this is our load. I've marked them here because of the cables. Now this one is the live from this point. This one is the live and this one is the neutral. Now you'll take now this one because it's the load, and the other side we have the L1 and L2. This one is also the load of our power supply, right? And for this one, this conductor, we haven't energized the coil. Now if you want to energize the coil, there is this main here, main L1 or main power from Kenya Power. We join from this one to our L1, that is our A1, that is here. Then we source from neutral to energize the A2. Now when this one engages, when this one will engage, when you connect this power here, that is Kenya Power, and this one is our generator. If you connect this, our lamp will light. This is our lamp, or this is our load, or this is our consumer unit. Now we connect the two wires, we join them to L1, L2, that is the neutral to L2 and the live to L1. Then from the same point, we join our live to consumer and our neutral to consumer unit. I think now the setup is done. We want to test and see whether the lamp will light. Come on, guys. When we are testing, we choose, if we are going to choose, because this is our reliable power, the Kenya Power. If this one is available, the Kenya Power is available, the generator won't work until it's off. The generator will only pick the moment the power from our Kenya Power is off, right? So we want to first energize the generator. This is the generator, or this is our generator or our solar. We first want to energize the solar. After energizing the solar, we'll engage the Kenya Power and see what will happen, right? So I'm energizing the solar or the generator, our generator. If yes, you can see now the light, the light is on, or the power is on from the generator. You can see our conductor has already engaged. Now we want to put on the Kenya Power, and we see what will happen. So the power, the conductor has off from this now to this. The Kenya Power has engaged, as you can see here. Now this one is the one that is working. This one is now off, but is still connected to the source. Hope you are together, guys. In case of any question, you get your question in the comment section. We are here to learn, and this is Reo Electrical and Power Solutions. Kindly, guys, consider subscribing on our YouTube channel. Like, share and comment, and we move on as a group, guys, as a family. On our Facebook page, that is also Reo Electrical and Power Solution. You can go there, follow us, and you'll get more content. You'll get more teaching of these controls. Thank you, guys. Bye bye, and let us meet next time.